Hi, so another hot Muskoka morning here. So we're thinking we'll do some ice lattes today to cool everybody down. Been a great summer. Here we are coming up to the August long weekend. So let's make some cold brews. Okay, so we've already brewed up some nice Muskoka coffee here. We have a few to choose from here in Muskoka that are great organic coffees. From our Muskoka Natural Food Market, this is where I've been buying my nice Honduras dark blend to mix in with our Yolking egg white protein powder. At the last farmers market this past Saturday, and in Bracebridge for the next few Saturdays, we have the Healthy Goddess, and she's doing some organic coffees as well. This particular one here, she's already infused with MCT oil, so to help get the ketones going and have your fat for fuel is blended right in with the bean and then ground up. I also bought from her a nice vanilla one just to get some different flavors going here. In the meantime, I did brew up a little bit of cold coffee, so it's been chilled a little bit. These cold brew coffees come in 4 flavors and they're absolutely fantastic too. So if you're ever able to get your hands on one of those, it's the simplest way to blend in with the egg white protein powder. You can add a little bit more MCT oil, a little bit of extra sweetener if you like as well. So we'll be whipping some of those up shortly. For those trying to get off of coffee or are trying to balance their hormones, we love to use things like the mushroom coffees, Four Sigmata. They have an adaptogenic mix, which is good for just dealing with some stress. They have several different blends, those that are familiar with Four Sigmata, but they also have some that have no caffeine in it, such as their chaga. So this chaga elixir, really good as well. What I do find with these coffees, they tend to be a little weak, so you're making a very small amount. Or what we do a lot is mix in a nice dandelion blend. So this one is Nutramax. It's a Canadian blend as well. It has dandelion root, chicory, great for the liver, a bit detoxifying, and you're gonna still get that really great coffee taste without the caffeine. So whether you're wanting a little extra charge or trying to get off your coffee, we've got some great iced solutions for you. Okay, again, on this hot Muskoka day, we are going to make some nice iced lattes using our Yolking egg white protein powder. Now, I always recommend mixing your egg white with a bit of milk first, so we're going to do that. This is 1 heaping tablespoon, like a very heaping tablespoon. That has 16 grams of protein in that 20-gram serving. So we are first and foremost going to do a milk of choice, whether you're like cashew or oat or almond, or even regular milk. If you want a creamier coffee, this Silk brand flavored vanilla one is one that I like to do as well, although mind that it already has sugar in it. So if you're avoiding sugar, go with one of your other milks of choice. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of this unsweetened vanilla flavored almond milk in there. I like it a bit creamy, milky for a nice coffee, so a little splash of that. I'm going to use this Latte monk fruit sweetener. 0 calories, does not spike your blood sugar at all. So if you're diabetic or trying to balance hormones, balance your blood sugar for any reason, or just want lower calories, this Latte is great. And I've already measured out a big teaspoon of that to put in. And we have our egg white protein powder. Now this is, again, 1 very heaping tablespoon. You can go down to a teaspoon quite nicely for this if you're not trying to get super amounts of protein and you just want a little bit of it. But we're going to go for the full 16 grams of protein there. And then we're going to just do a little blend first as our next step. You see a bit of the powder going up, dust. You just want to mix that egg a little bit. We're going to put in an already brewed 8 ounces of strong coffee. Remember, we're going to be adding ice to this. It's going to dilute it. So if you're brewing yourself, you want to do it a little bit on the stronger side. So we'll put the 8 ounces in there. And then we're going to do another quick stir. You don't have to do all of these stirs. I just... We got a nice mocha color going on to it. You can see the foam already starting because of the egg white, which is great. Now, last but not least, some more ice. So we'll just put a cup of the ice. It's a little bit melted, even though we're air conditioned in here, it's still quite warm. And just do one final blend. Very easy. So, look at all that great, amazing foam. You can do this with hot chocolate, blend it up with cacao and the Lacanto if you want 0 sugar as well. And do that for the kids, make it like a milkshake, throw in a half a frozen banana with it. All sorts of crazy fun things you can do. But let's just pour this out and enjoy a nice cold iced latte. Okay, so now we're ready to pour out our nice latte. So just did another quick blend. The thing that you should remember, if you're doing for 2, as I've done here, is give each a little bit first, as your foam likes to stay a little bit on the top. If you're doing one big one per person, not to worry. And okay, somebody else gets a bit more than me on that. There we go. We've got these great fun reusable straws and these nice mugs. So it's good to go. You got your own little takeout latte coffee. Enjoy.